right, so what happened?
It's been a really rough day here at the shop. For starters, the worst part is our table saw is out. The belt broke on it, and it won't work without a belt. I can't get a new belt for I don't even know how long. I've been looking and looking, and I don't have anything lined up, so that's out. Also, our bandsaw bit the dust, which is awesome.
Yeah, he was gonna. Hi guys. He was gonna cut out the clocks, the small ones on the bandsaw with his jig, and
It's been a rough day.
yeah, it really has. We were gonna film today, building something, and now we can't even do our work or film today. So,
But we got the problem solved, and we're just gonna kind of walk you through the fix.
yeah.
So,
In case you're new here, I'm Cheryl.
welcome, and I'm Aaron.
And we're Avery Street Design Studio. This is not
Kind
our
of-
normal video.
Kind of a sad, solemn day.
It's got a good ending though, so stick around. All right, here it is.
Well, here's the
New
fix.
table saw. Yay!
Yay. I love my old table saw, but I'm happy AF about this one.
But it's not just the table saw. So
Nope.
when we spend money, we decided to just go all out. So we bought some other things. We've got new nail guns and a new staple gun. Yay.
Our much needed drill press.
Not a real expensive one, but it'll work for us.
Yep.
A oscillating edge belt spindle sander.
Yep.
Yay. We're not sponsored by Cobalt or DeWalt or
No.
Delta, so.
We're
DeWalt.
paying mightily for this stuff.
And we badly needed a new airless sprayer for our sealer and lacquer that we put on our clocks and furniture. So we had to get a new one of those too.
So thank
yeah.
God for financing, y'all.
Yes.
It was a silver lining to the rough day.
Yes. We're still gonna fix our other table saw. We're gonna try to find the belt. We ordered one on Amazon and it was the wrong size.
Yeah.
So we just had to have one now.
Yeah, we've got to be able to work.
Yeah.
And I can't wait 3 weeks for a belt to get here.
Well, and our other table saw was like 9 years old, and we've been talking lately that it was about time to get a new one.
Yep.
And we can take the other one home and have it for projects at home, which will be
Yeah.
great.
So this one, I've had one of these before. Before we bought that one, I had this saw, and I loved it. It was great. I like the other one better, but I don't have that option today, so I am tickled with this one. It'll do what we need it to do. The only problem with this one is it doesn't have a dust collector attachment. I'll have to rig something up for that, but new tool day is always a good day.
Yeah, this was the only one in stock.
Yeah.
There was none in Norman. We had to drive to Oklahoma City, and we had to drive to the north side, which, you know, that's no big deal, but that was the only store on the north side that they had them, so.
Eventually we will upgrade to a cabinet saw like a Grizzly or a Powermatic or something, but we don't have time or funds for that today.
Yeah.
So this is the next best thing, and we'll be able to make lots of good stuff with it. So along with the new table saw, we will have to make a new table saw jig. And whoever thinks that cutting out circles with a router is faster, you're full of crap, man. I did that like four times today because I had no other choice, and it took me like 3 hours to get the router set up and get the jig all lined up the way it needed to be.
Normally he would have already had all the clocks cut out, so.
By the time I got 3 clocks cut out, it was 11:30.
Yeah.
So save it.
Yeah. Some people may prefer that and may scare them to do the other way. I don't know.
They're wrong.
I've done it, and I'm scared to death of the table saw, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. Trust me.
I have done both, and the way I do it is the fastest way to do it. And I don't care what anybody else says. That's the truth.
Yeah.
So,
Well, we do it all day, every
we
day.
do.
I think we're qualified on.
I don't want to hear another guy tell me how much faster a router is to cut circles out, because it's not.
Well, you've had like 130 million different people tell you that
Yeah.
because of the video went viral.
It did.
I don't know how he got this out of the back of the truck. That's probably a good thing I didn't watch.
It's really heavy.
Yeah.
I believe my man Daniel has this same saw, if I'm not mistaken. It's a good saw.
We watched his video yesterday. It seems like he's had a heck of a week too with the flooding in his backyard.
God
Felt
bless
really
you, man.
bad
I'm
for
so
him.
sorry about that.
Yeah. If we could go on vacation to the beach in South Carolina and then come help you, we would.
Yeah. We pull that out of the way.
I sure will.
All right. All right. We're getting close to getting it done, putting the fence on now. Coming right down to the last couple things, putting the fence handle on. This is a much nicer fence than whatever that other brand is. Rigid, good lord. Been a long, exhausting day, sorry. Put the handle on the height adjustment. That's pretty nice. Let's try to keep this saw oiled up a lot better than the other one. Only time will tell.
All right, here's the finished product.
There it is.
I'm just kidding. There's the new table saw. We're
Love it.
excited about it. Sounds a lot more quiet than the old one for some reason to me.
Yeah,
But I'm thankful, very, very thankful we were
Yeah.
able to get it.
we're in a very tight spot.
Yes, and I'm excited about the other new things we've got. Can't wait to get those unboxed and use them. But it is now 6 o'clock on Wednesday night before our video comes out tomorrow morning, that's what you'll be seeing this. Sorry, it's not our usual video, but we appreciate you being here.
Thought you'd want
and-
to see our struggles.
Yeah, sometimes things come up and you just have to take care of that before you can continue with business.
That's
So
right. So,
we'll see you on Sunday.
Thanks, y'all.
Bye-bye.
all right.